Yeah. Can you get it without hurting yourself?
Daddy,
Okay.
I am never going back out there. Never.
Why not?
Because sticker bug. You could go in the backyard or something. Over
Yep.
there.
There might be some over there.
So let's go see. When I was over there, I saw some sticker bugs. Only some. Now I'm going to see. Yep, there's lots of sticker bugs. Lots and lots. Hey!
What?
Stop recording me!
Why?
Stop it! Stop recording me!
Why?
Because I don't want you recording me.
No?
No! Stop it! I can't take it anymore. Stop it! Stop it!
I can still see you.
Stop it!
Why? You don't like to be recorded?
No,
Why not?
because
Because what?
just don't record me.
Okay, I'll stop.